Hello and welcome back, guys. 360-degree video cameras should appeal to thrill seekers looking to go beyond what a single-lens GoPro can capture, as well as travel vloggers who enjoy guiding viewers through famous destinations. So in today's video, we examined and ranked the top best-selling 360 cameras for 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. Insta360 X3. First off, we have the Insta360 X3. This is the most immersive and versatile video camera. It literally captures everything around you, allowing you to easily create 3D VR content or use software-based reframing tools to edit your scenes as regular, flat video, where you can track subjects, create panning shots, and basically point the camera anywhere after you've shot your video. Having said that, and despite all of its impressive new capabilities, the Insta360 X3 feels more like an evolution of the concept than a major leap ahead. For us, that most certainly means 12K capture and the ability to reframe and export 4K movies. Most of the time, however, 360 is about activity rather than ultra resolution. In that aspect, the X3 remains one of the best, friendliest, and most interesting 360 cameras on the market, and the software tools for phones, Macs, and PCs, as well as plugins for FCPX, have advanced significantly. GoPro MAX. This 360-degree action camera is an excellent piece of hardware. The GoPro MAX's image and video quality are strong enough that they could get here on their own, but it also has a slew of intuitive features that ensure almost anyone can get a lot out of it, even if they're not particularly interested in 360-degree imagery. The Smooth app allows you to edit clips from 360 footage very flawlessly, which means you can capture stunning shots no matter where the camera's placed and easily switch between them. This Max also boasts great specs. With a 6-mic system, it's a highly credible vlogging camera, and the 1600 mAh battery will last you a full day of recording. It's a reasonably priced choice that lacks a specific 4K video capturing feature seen on certain competitors, such as those of the Insta360. However, the Max is simply that GoPro polish that makes it the best 360 camera experience you can get right now. However, the software hasn't seen much attention since launch. Insta360 ONE RS. The ONE RS is a unique product that caters to those who want to capture 360-degree footage but don't want to invest in a GoPro. The 360-degree lens remains untouched from the first-gen version, indicating that the format has settled in a good alternative for occasional use, but lacks much more improvement, which aligns with our thoughts. Although the Insta360 software offers templates for creating 360-degree sequences from video, most users prefer the 4K boost lens. This is more competent than the first-generation model, although we're not sure how useful the 6K widescreen mode is. Much more useful is the ability to record in stunning 4K, which was always pin-sharp and ultra-smooth. Overall, is the Insta360 ONE RS a novelty or a viable filmmaking tool? Yes, this ONE RS is an original offering that caters to those who want to capture 360-degree footage but don't want to invest in a GoPro. Ricoh Theta X. The Ricoh Theta X's attractiveness will be determined by the type of content creator you are. If you're considering this 360-degree camera as an alternative to a GoPro action camera, keep in mind that its picture stabilization, while functioning at greater resolutions than a GoPro, isn't as effective. Vloggers should be wary of the Theta X because it does not support the use of external microphones. So, who is the Theta X really for? The Theta X is a great option for anyone looking for a user-friendly, adaptable, and high-quality 360-degree camera. However, its expensive price makes it a significant commitment. Yet, we believe that photographers looking for a 360-degree camera with core quality will enjoy the Theta X. When combined with its great coloring and low-light capabilities, the Theta X's ability to shoot stills in 11K resolution puts it ahead of the competition, albeit its lack of RAW capture significantly diminishes that choice. Insta360 ONE RS. The Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition feels like a grown-up 360 camera built for high image quality and professional filmmaking. It employs a pair of back-to-back fisheye lenses with a 180-degree angle of view, more specifically to allow for overlap and stitching, resulting in a fully spherical field of view merged flawlessly in camera in real time. Most 360 cameras utilize little sensors similar to those found in phones, but this one employs much larger 1-inch sensors, resulting in a significant improvement in image quality. It's water-resistant up to IPX3, which contributes to its sturdy feel. This is typical of Instagram 360 cameras in general. In terms of performance, in our tests, its stability appears to be superb. The HDR photo mode is extremely effective in high-contrast settings, albeit it can increase saturation slightly, and the app is very adept at automatically following human subjects. In fact, the app is a significant element of the camera's attractiveness. Even if you don't want to get bogged down in the preset video effects, you can simply swipe through the 360 video timeline and control the framing with keyframes. Simply rotate, twist the view, add a keyframe, and the app will create a smooth pan from the last keyframe view to the next. PANOX V2. Finally, we have the PANOX V2 360 vlog camera with 1/2-inch 48 megapixel sensors. Whether you're shooting a thrilling extreme sports moment or capturing the picturesque splendor of a vacation destination, this camera's 1/2-inch CMOS sensor offers stunning clarity even in low-light situations. You can record adrenaline-pumping outdoor activities, create trip vlogs, or capture beautiful time-lapse sequences throughout your vacation, as its superior active HDR mode overcomes any lighting issue. While the 5.7K time-lapse films and quality stabilization technologies ensure steady recording, every moment is crystal clear, even when on the run. Its 4K at 30 frames per second resolution and AI-powered auto-tracking technology make live content more engaging and immersive. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a lone traveler, or a content creator, stream easily across multiple social media platforms to share the excitement of the moment in real time. The camera's quick battery charging and automated fan cooling ensure that it can stream continuously on extended adventures. It also contains the camera's built-in GPS, which assures unprecedented precision while creating panoramic content, making it great for displaying businesses, tourist locations, and more. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hey, subscribing is fun, so to receive updates on our most recent videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.